Mystery Sky TV. I'm Mystery Sky. Today we're going to be opening up a Play-Doh surprise Funko egg. And we're going to be opening up some blind boxes. So first I'm going to open up this superheroes vinyl figurine. So here's the characters you can collect. I want Flash, Batman, or Superman. Or Reverse Flash. All the Batmans too. So I'm going to take my scissors. So you can see a little bit more. There you go. So we can open it really good. Before I ever made a channel, I had got Wonder Woman. So I hope I don't get her. See? Ooh, we got Green Lantern. That look pretty sweet. Put that to the side here. Put a character right here. And now we're going to open up the Funko Play-Doh surprise it. So you got to take all of it off. Ooh, still got some of the black Play-Doh on here. Now we could take this off. Yeah, all of it off. Ooh, we got a smiley one. Look at that one. That's funny. Okay, got a plate. Got a plate. Okay, now we can open it. Whoa, we got a lot of surprises. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And plus this, so it's 5. So let me put that right here. So first, I'm going to open up the DC Comics Series 1 Figaro keyring. And here's the characters. I want to get Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, Joker. Mostly all of them. Because I love all the DC superhero characters. Ooh, we got Lex Luthor. Well, that's a nice figure. And y'all see me wearing my Deadpool shirt? So now we're going to open up the Marvel Series 2 Collector's Keyring. Right here. Here's the characters. Before I had a video again, I had Deadpool. So I want like Falcon, Captain America, mostly like all of the set Daredevil, because I already had him before. So we got to open this. Give me a little head start to open it. This is hard to open though. I'm going to go the old-fashioned way. Dig inside of it. Oh, I already got him. Let me still show y'all though, because I ain't had no channel yet. So here's Daredevil. So all the characters is going to be right here. Okay, so here's the character. Now we're gonna open up a Marvel Guardians of the Galaxy Mystery Minius, and this is a vinyl bobblehead. So here's the side group. I forgot her name. We got Rocket Raccoon. We have Star-Lord, and here's you can get. I would like to have all of them because I think they all sweet. But my favorite character is Rocket Raccoon. that open here. Get right here. You gotta open this because there's a lot of opening. So we gotta open it really good. Oh, it's one of the trick bags. I hate the trick bags because they be, when you open it right there, the line, you can't even, it don't even open. So it looks like we got Drax. See, and he bobbles, see? So that's pretty cool character right there. Scoot that over there. So now so our last one today, we got a Despicable Me. Oh, I forgot to take this off. Sorry about that. But it was 50% off at Barnes & Noble. So that was pretty cheap. So here's that. I want all the girls, Groot, all the minions. Well, except this blue one. I think it looked weird. I want Fluffy, not him, because I don't like him. I want the dog. And I think his name was El Chicado. I don't remember. So here, I'm opening the package. So if you want to see it a little bit better, because I had the plastic one. So now we can open this up. You gotta cut this nice too. So it looks like we got a minion. That's a nice looking minion. Scoop this all over so you can see the characters we got today. So we got the Minion, Green Lantern, Drax, the bobblehead. We got Daredevil, Kiri, and Lex Luthor. Well, I'm HB Sky and this is HB Sky TV. Please subscribe and comment. See you next time.